Is anyone home?
No, I just watched him leave.
Okay.
There's a family of 3 there.
Did you say you saw flames?
Yes, you can see through this kitchen window.
Okay.
So right there.
How many people normally live here? Delta 211 Flagler. Active flames in the stove. Doesn't appear anyone's home. I'm going to attempt to make contact. Also, last hydrant coming in was, I believe, at number 2. Sheriff's Office! Sheriff's Office! To 11 back, we have animals in the residence. Sheriff's Office! Sheriff's Office! Hi, buddy. Where's your mommy?
I lost my mom.
Where's your mommy? Come with me.
Okay.
Come with me. Come with me.
Okay. Oh.
211 Flagler. I have 1 juvenile out of the house.
Yes.
I don't know. I just saw him on the back bedroom.
Hey, he's running out of the back bedroom.
Hey, you want to sit down?
Hang out with me?
You want to hang out with her?
Stuff. Come on.
Here's his phone, Kaylin.
All right. Come here.
Here.
You want to hang out with me?
Okay.
Come on.
Hello? Fire department? Sorry. 211. Dude, thank you for pulling the kid out. No problem. I went to the front door, I saw it was open, and I saw where the fire was, so I kept it closed so I didn't vent it.
Yeah, no.
I came back around because I heard the dogs, and I saw a little head pop up. It was under the covers.
2321.